real strong looking quick echo kind of a feature showing up on the radar as well. So a tornado warning for the northern part of Polk County. Let me get back out there. We've got thunderstorms in the metro, but they're not actually severe in town here. Take that roll for a second if we could.
How to be around other people. That's not all they learn. So they don't know.
You know, that storm county eastbound and likely to continue to do that really for the next hour or so. Hopefully it will weaken a bit, but right now we've got a tornado warning in effect for northern Polk County. It's actually the area here that you're seeing, this red shade. That's the tornado warning, and that area that we
feels good to have a job.
Yeah.
I mean, to be productive.
It feels very...
Agency Center. Contact us by U.S. mail, email, or call 402-436-2237. If you're interested in employment in the broadcast industry, we encourage you to visit our website at klkntv.com for a listing of current job opportunities. KLKN-TV is an equal opportunity employer.
heading towards you. This is the feature we're seeing out here, right there. And again, this thing is moving east, so hopefully this will weaken. Hopefully, you know, it's not producing at least damage. You know, we hope that it's at least out in open country, but a tornado warning nonetheless for Polk County out here. This is David City to the east here, and Bellwood. This is actually Butler County right here. So it is the next county over, and you know, maybe we'll continue to have to follow this thing as it keeps on coming eastbound. Right now, the Omaha Metro is seeing.
There are nice apartments in my neighborhood.
Sometimes I'm not looking for an apartment. Literally.
Immediately. Again, if you are watching us out there or even a little bit east of this storm, we are again under a tornado warning at central Polk County. So it's way off to the west, but again, basement's the best place to be.
Varieties of melons degrade in a few days.
Worry about 229, David City, 241, Octavia. You guys get a little bit closer to 10 till the new hour, and 255 for Schuyler. So, Darby, do we know if this is confirmed on the ground or Doppler indicated? This is a Doppler indicated, not confirmed on the ground, but we do see a lot of rotation with this storm. So here we go with Watch the Morning Tornado Watch. This is set to run until 8 a.m. And again, those tornado warnings that we have for Polk and Merritt counties riddled with severe thunderstorm warnings across the eastern portions of.
Here's our 7-day outlook.
And this is moving pretty fast, so if you're into Butler County, we will find out relatively soon if we get a new issuance of a tornado warning out here for this thing. But that's the radar indicating the rotation. I'll take that off, and we'll just again look at that storm relative velocity where the red and green colors are, they're right next to each other.
Appropriate.
Really? But it's...
kind of the back edge of the rain for the time being here, lifting out to the northeast.
Georgia.
Other comments?
And then we are continuing with the flood warnings again in the southeastern Nebraska, southwestern Iowa, specifically southeastern Cass, eastern parts of Otoe County on into Page and Fremont County, Iowa there. So, hail's the threat right now out west. Storm's a little bit stronger, at least around David City or to the northwest of David City, just to the south of Columbus. Remember, tornado warning is still in effect for Polk County.
Eyes Nation, Lucy.
No interest for 72.
Fall though, because this is going to exit out to the north and east. This is the cloud to ground lightning that's been occurring here. Gives you an idea of the intensity of the storm. The more cloud to ground lightning, the more intense the storm. So this was a bad one out here that went from Saunders County up into Dodge County, and then Cumming County, and also up here into Burt County. And this is a little spottier activity we're seeing through the metro, although it's starting to build up now into Council Bluffs here. So, you know, hey, it's been a long night of thunderstorms, no question about that, but this stuff is moving northeastward. And then here's that cell coming in from the west. I mean, this is just a beast of a storm. Again, I'm thinking that there's really warm mid-level air blowing in here, which if what I expect to happen, this will take a little detour farther north. If that doesn't happen at all, this is going to come racing into the west, and you know, a potential situation where we get you know, more severe weather into Saunders County coming from the west. These other ones have come from the south. This is that 3D mode of the radar, tall to the red, more impressive the storm. Right over Columbus, there's Columbus. There's the impressive hail that's occurring with that, and then this is the hail mode of the radar itself, which just is a more of a flat depiction of it. There you can see the indication of maybe 2-inch diameter hail, possibly coming in here to the northern part of.
I thought global warming would take care of it. Al Gore.
Change for America's most expensive war.
Page 7. Briefly, the radar indicating some hail, but now we're losing some of that and just getting into some of these blues. So that usually in and of itself is an indication of this warmer mid-level air coming in. So hopefully that's occurring here. Right through there, warmer air comes in. This cell would weaken as it comes in from the west toward the Omaha Metro. We'll keep following it. Again, tornado warning. If you are in this part of Polk County out here, if you're just south of Columbus, you really should be in safe shelter until this thing passes by. We'll break back in and let you know when it's safe. Columbus itself, just north of where there's a potential tornado. Keep it on 7 again. We'll go back to that infomercial we got running.